So if you want to uninstall MiniTool Movie Maker 5.0, whether you've just had enough of it and you don't want to use it because of the limit to 2 minutes on exporting videos after the first 3, or you're looking to downgrade back to 4.0 again, then all you need to do is go into apps and features in Windows settings, type in Mini into your app list and it will come up MiniTool Movie Maker. We can see it's taken up 838 megabytes. And if you left click on the 3 dots, the burger menu at the end of the row that MiniTool Movie Maker's on, and click uninstall, once that this app and its related info will be uninstalled, you can click uninstall, which will use your account control asking for permission to launch the setup file, which you want to accept. And then MiniTool Movie Maker uninstall. Are you sure you want to completely remove MiniTool Movie Maker and all of its components? Yes. And then it will start uninstalling MiniTool Movie Maker, which will be very fast. It was successfully removed from the computer. You'll notice it's disappeared from the apps list. There is no trace of it left behind, so if you do want to downgrade to a previous version, such as 4.0, to avoid the 2-minute export restriction, then uninstalling it is sufficient. There is no registry cleanup required. Once you've pressed OK, it will take you back to a feedback page. You can leave feedback if you want about why you've uninstalled MiniTool Movie Maker, maybe pressure them a little bit on this 2-minute limit, and then you can close the settings. You're back to your desktop, and that's it. MiniTool Movie Maker 5.0 is uninstalled successfully. Hope that helps. Don't forget to like the video and stick around for more MiniTool Movie Maker videos.